Hi guys, today I'm making spaghetti and I thought I would show you exactly how I make it. This is how I make it almost every time. It's very simple, it is not rocket science, but I wanted to share my recipe nonetheless. So here we go. I'll show you the ingredients. So first we got the ground beef. I like to buy grass-fed beef whenever I can. This is from a Trader Joe's run we did last week. I wish we had Trader Joe's here, but we don't. But we try to go when we can. I also have some leftover cremini mushrooms, which I'm going to chop really finely. I wish I had more, but that's what I have right now. Then sometimes I use a red pepper as well. I don't have that today, so I'm just going to use a lot of onion. So there's a half onion and a whole onion. I'm going to chop that up and I'm going to put that in as well. Then I'm going to add some garlic and pre-made sauce. So it's not like it's made from scratch or anything, but this is the way I like to do it. This time I'm using a Primo thick and zesty. I don't always use Primo. I like Ragu, I like Classico, but that's what I have today. Salt and pepper and a touch of red wine. Today we have a Malbec, but it's kind of a cooking wine now. It's a bottle we opened last week. So that is the sauce right there. And I'm also going to put it on this organic, gluten-free edamame spaghetti. So that's it. I'm going to wait for my little helper to get up from his nap, and then I'm going to get cooking. Okay, my helper is up from his nap, but something's wrong. He's sad. Why are you sad, Charlie? What's wrong? You don't want to help me cook? No? Okay, well, I'm going to set the camera up and maybe you'll change your mind in a bit. I hope so. I forgot 3 critical ingredients, or at least 2 critical and 1 not so much. Tomato paste, a couple tablespoons of that. Olive oil, definitely when cooking the onion and mushroom and garlic. And then the sun-dried tomato, not so critical. I just have them on hand, so I decided I might as well use them.